Hi everyone. Today we're talking about the all-new Honda Passport SUV production at the Honda Alabama Auto Plant, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. Let's jump right in. The Honda Alabama Auto Plant celebrated today the start of production for the all-new 2026 Honda Passport and Passport TrailSport, the most off-road capable Honda SUV ever, built exclusively in Lincoln, Alabama. The fourth-generation Passport lineup features the Passport TrailSport, Honda's ultimate adventure SUV, combining authentic off-road capability with exceptional on-road performance. Equipped with a 3.5-liter DOHC V6 engine, built at the Lincoln engine plant, and the Passport's first 10-speed automatic transmission, the 2026 model introduces several rugged features designed to enhance the off-road driving experience. Honda associates in Alabama have worked with ingenuity and determination to bring our customers the most rugged Honda SUV ever, the all-new 2026 Honda Passport, said Lamar Whitaker, plant leader of the Alabama Auto Plant. The 2026 Passport is available in three primary trim levels: RTL, TrailSport, and TrailSport Elite, built on Honda's light truck architecture, first introduced 2 years ago with the Honda Pilot. This highly rigid platform was engineered to maximize off-road capability. Pricing for the Passport RTL starts at $44,750, excluding a $1,450 destination charge. The deep collaboration between Honda's R&D, manufacturing, and purchasing teams enabled us to create a high-quality Honda Passport that is also easier for our associates to build, said Mike Smith, Senior Staff Engineer at the Alabama Auto Plant and Engineering Project Leader for Passport. More than 4,500 Honda associates in Alabama are exclusively responsible for manufacturing Honda light trucks, including the Passport, Pilot, Odyssey, and Ridgeline, along with the TrailSport models. The AAP facility has an annual production capacity of over 350,000 vehicles and V6 engines and has manufactured more than 6.5 million vehicles since production began in 2001. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.